Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4 V6. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 41,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and rear privacy glass.